In today's video, we're going to look at how to set up conditional options for properties in HubSpot. This feature helps you show or control property values based on specific conditions, which keeps your data cleaner and much easier to manage, especially if you're just getting started. Let's begin. First, log into your HubSpot account and click the Settings icon, usually shown as a small gear. This is where you control how your data and objects behave. Inside Settings, choose the object you want to work with. This could be contacts, companies, deals, or any other object you're using. Once you select an object, scroll down and click on Properties. This area contains all the fields you use to store information. Now, find the property where you want to apply conditional options. For example, you might choose a property like Annual Revenue, Company Size, or Lead Status. Click on the property name to open its settings. Within the property editor, look for the section related to rules or conditional logic. This is where you define when certain options should appear, be restricted, or behave differently based on another value. Next, add a condition. You'll choose a rule that tells HubSpot when this property should change its behavior. For instance, you might say that certain options only appear when another property has a specific value. HubSpot gives you simple tools to set these rules, and in some cases, you can even generate logic automatically to speed things up. After setting your conditions, review them carefully to make sure they match your workflow. Once everything looks right, click Save to apply the changes. That's it. Your property now uses conditional options, making your forms and records more intuitive and organized for everyone who uses them. And that's how you set up conditional options for properties in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.